It's a bit of a fizzer.
Welcome guys, follow me as I build a party popper launcher. I needed a new drill and the device I put in before will charge my phone. Now I'm getting all the timber I will be using. I'll need some screws, washers and bolts. These will come in handy for later. Black spray paint. Now I'm installing the base supports to the trolley. Cutting off the excess wood, I'll use the offcuts as support beams. I'm using a handsaw to make a 45-degree angle on this piece of timber to make a supportive frame. I'm putting together the supportive frame to support all the weight which will go on it. To prevent the timber from breaking on the other side, first drill a pilot hole and then put the screw in. Next, I'm going to bolt the frame to the trolley. I'm going to clamp this board to the frame to prevent it from moving. I am installing all the screws to the board. I did use pilot holes before. I'm using chalk line to mark out where I need to cut. I'm using a circular saw to cut the wood off. This chalk line will mark out where the holes in the front will go. Time to get drilling. Starting off, we're using a 5mm drill bit. I calculated I can install 40 putty poppers in the front. So this is a test. And the results are in. It's pretty good. I'm using a 28mm spade drill bit, and the pilot holes for the neck of the putty popper to fit through is a 8mm drill bit. Do you remember at the start of this video where I panned past the spray paint? Well, I chose black. I'm painting the whole thing black. Before painting it, I hit the front and back of it with a sander. My heart beats loud, it skips, it bends, no start, no stop. measuring the front so I can install some conduit to run LEDs from the front to the back.
Then leave a mark.
It's important to clamp down some conduit next to where you intend to install it, just so you can get that nice finish. When working with conduit, first drill a pilot hole and then screw in a screw by hand. And we're done. I used some nails to hold the LED light strips down to the pine on the sides. Earlier in the video, you saw me shoot 3 party poppers. If you want to see all 40 going off at once, on the 31st of December, I'm going to be shooting all 40 off to celebrate the end of 2025. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. SNAGZ out.